I think out of the 3 contacts I got, I like this one the best.
The what best?
The contact lenses. And because it was a sale and I had some credits in my account, I spent in total $47 for all of these. Always keep an eye out for those kind of sales. A couple of days ago, actually, I was breaking out here and like on my forehead because of the mask and like the bad air quality. My skin's healing now, so it looks a lot better. And yeah, I'm actually about to head to bed. Oh, what? Okay. This is something I got from Target. It's just a 3-tier rolling cart. That should be everything. First of all, I'm going to put my skincare. Cheers.
Even though I like shrunk this routine to half, since this is shortened like basic skincare routine, I wanted to add a face mask because since you're leaving out like your serum and ampoule and all that, you can actually find all.
I just took my first quiz and we got a 12 out of 12. I have 3 more quizzes to do, plus a podcast to listen to, so.
Hopefully you got a great introduction with the reading and then with the podcast.
I don't have a pasties on, but I'm wearing the beige crop top and it's really cute. And then skirt is very cute as well. It is a little bit see-through. So here's the look. The shirt, the skirt, and then my little handbag, which is so cute and preppy. And then in my hair, I have this like matching color hair tie. I can wear like white Air Forces or like also white boots. So this is how I think I've decided to style the last piece, which is this v-neck, like I forgot what this is called, but yeah. So this piece, I thought it was a bit harder to style it, but I decided to go for this kind of like dress look. Hair in a bun and then black heels. And yeah. So I'm going to my aunt's house. I'm just do some workout. And then I'll go home and shower and wash my hair.
And then
Stop asking me. So I'm currently about to drive home and I'm really tired.
yeah, we're just gonna go one.
Now I'm gonna go get a sheep mask. Centella Asiatica calming mask. Good night.